video here. Storm coming in. It's looking kind of angry. Boy, that is weird looking. Yeah, it's like, okay, like you can just feel it getting cooler, you know? Yep. High winds, heavy rain, severe storms nearing Springfield. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know if it's like an uplift. I'm not sure. It's a tsunami. A tsunami. Yeah, I know. It's yeah. It's such a weird. Man, you can just feel the wind. Yeah, it's really picking up all of a sudden. Wow.
Should I put it in 0.5?
Oh yeah. Is that? There we go.
It's like a circular.
Look at that! Oh my gosh!
Yeah. No, this is.
Oh, there we go. Alright.
That is the coolest thing I've seen.
Do not do this at home, kids.
Yeah.
Do not do this at home. It's like, when should we? I'm not seeing anything resembling a. Oh yeah.
That's the cold one.
Yep. It's clashing with the heat. All right. Oh shoot. All right, guys. Come on, get inside. Get inside, guys. Come on. Get inside. Come on. Come on, get inside.
So much leaves. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Let's close these.
Oh, holy crap!
All right. Just you know.
Is he inside? That pot just flew.
All right, go. Get inside. Get inside. Get inside, guys. All right. I'm just gonna come back up front here. Whoops. It's just I wanted to be where I could see a little bit of what's Thank goodness we have that trampoline anchored down really good. Hopefully good enough. Oh
my gosh.
Just getting a little bit of footage here because it's
I need to get footage of those too. Oh, holy crap.
Are we expecting a storm? Like a major storm?
I think I saw that there was a chance, but that was.
That was
I think I noticed sometime yesterday or something. I think I saw,
really close.
but that was really
Scary.
about it. So.
Okay. Okay, well, looks like we got inside at the right moment because these got in before
Oh,
it
yeah,
got
yeah,
so
yeah.
much worse. Oh.
Just, it's okay.
We're getting some pretty good gusts.
Here it is.
They were saying, I think it's at up to 80 mile an hour winds.
I see some debris over here.
It's okay.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of debris over here.
A lot of debris.
Empty boxes. Phone, everything.
Oh, from the thing we're putting together.
Such upstairs, the back of the like on the boxes.
And the wind is getting a lot faster.
Oh yeah, I see
Way
that.
down there by the
Luckily, those
way down there.
roof pieces are heavy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. It's
Alright,
just
we're gonna go back and we're gonna go upstairs
just
and
a
watch this.
little bit of stuff. Some of our boxes is blowing away, trying to blow away. Ooh, right. Oh shit, yep. That was a good gust. I've broken them down there already. That one's probably gonna be the next one to fall across our driveway. Oh boy, that is some wind. But I want to be able to shut this door fast if I'm not trying to.
Want a gravel fence?
Well, that's no, we're not. That's, I mean, you know, at least my worries.
What'd you say?
I'm gonna give it a minute. I'm gonna check my radar app real fast. So we're about between 5 and 10 minutes later here. I mean, it's still coming down pretty good. You guys can see that really. Can zoom in. where you can kind of see like the top of my mom's car right there. But yeah, we were getting some pretty good winds. And it said it was supposed to rain pretty much like this for the next hour, so it was a pretty good gust. But yeah, I was saying up to 80-mile-an-hour wind gusts, and so I'm zooming back out. Because I'm sort of level there. But it looks like we've lost a plant over there. My mother's plants, but we've got it's certainly cooled off a lot out here, that's for sure. Anyway, yeah, the storm, it looked pretty angry. Let's see if this is gonna, oops, I wasn't meaning to zoom in. I'm meaning to zoom out. Wrong button. All right, but I think things have kind of calmed down here. I think we got out of the angry portion of it. We're just kind of weathering the storm, I guess, now. Yeah. Looks like it's gonna be all right. Don't see any damage anywhere.